Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a voiceover in a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and click new project, and after this you can add the video that you want to edit. In here I add one clip, so in this clip I wanna add a voiceover, so you just click on the audio at the bottom, click on it, and after this in here you can click on record, click on it, and you can hold this button to record your audio. Okay, and after this you can click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to add a voiceover effect on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the
Hello
content,
guys,
please
welcome
consider
back
like,
to this
comment, and
channel.
subscribe
In here I
down
wanna
below. Bye
show
bye.
you this is a voice over on a CapCut apps. Okay, bye bye.